Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to combine two photos into one using Google AI Studio. First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google/Gemini account. Once you're in, tap Create Image or Start Editing. Something like that. The exact wording might vary. Next, upload both photos you want to combine. Usually there will be an option like Upload Image. Pick your first photo, then upload the second. The tool lets you work with multiple images. Then, you'll need to give a prompt to tell the AI what you want done. Something like, blend these two photos together, my photo and the second photo, into one scene. Keep the lighting consistent and make them look natural. You can adjust details, size, positioning, lighting, if the tool offers controls. After writing your prompt and uploading images, hit Run or Generate. The AI model will process your images and merge them into a single combined image. Wait a few seconds for it to finish. Once the result appears, check it. If something looks off, scale, lighting, background, you can often tweak the prompt and rerun so the image looks more balanced. When you're happy, tap Download to save the combined photo to your device. And that's it. You just combined two photos using AI. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.